Welcome to our detailed look at the all-new 2025 Renault Captur stylish urban SUV that's turning heads with its fresh design, advanced features, and efficient performance. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Captur has undergone a bold redesign, showcasing a sharper and more dynamic look. The front end now features a sleeker grille flanked by C-shaped LED headlamps, giving it a modern and aggressive character. The sculpted lines along the sides add to its athletic stance, while the updated rear with slim LED taillights and a refreshed bumper enhances its road presence. With new alloy wheel designs and a range of vibrant colors, the Captur continues to be one of the most customizable compact SUVs on the market. Moving to the interior, Renault has significantly improved the cabin experience. You'll find premium materials, a more refined layout, and the latest in connectivity. The centerpiece is the new 10.4-inch vertical infotainment touchscreen running the latest OpenLink system with Google integration. Drivers also get a digital instrument cluster up to 10 inches in size, offering a fully customizable experience. Soft touch surfaces, ambient lighting, and ergonomic seating ensure that every ride feels upscale. Despite its compact footprint, the Captur still delivers ample legroom and practical boot space, making it ideal for city life and weekend getaways. Under the hood, the engine options include a 1.0 litres petrol, a 1.3 litres mild hybrid, and a full E-Tech hybrid variant. The hybrid, combining a 1.6 litres petrol engine with two electric motors, offers a smooth, fuel-efficient drive with the ability to run short distances on electric power alone. Depending on the variant, you can choose between manual and automatic transmissions, all designed for a balanced mix of performance and economy. Now let's talk price. The 2025 Renault Captur is competitively positioned, starting around €23,500 in Europe, depending on the trim and engine option. For the UK, expect prices to begin from approximately £21,000. Higher trims with advanced features and hybrid powertrains can go up to an astonishing £30,000. With its refreshed design, smart tech, and efficient powertrains, the 2025 Captur continues to be a top choice for those seeking style and versatility in a compact SUV package. If you're in the market for a modern crossover that doesn't compromise, the new Captur is definitely worth a test drive.